Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. In this episode, I'm gonna show you guys 4 stocks that I'm buying this week, plus a cryptocurrency that's not Bitcoin that I'm also adding to my portfolio. These 4 stocks in this cryptocurrency I think have the potential to have a great week and also a bright future. So make sure you stick to the end of this video so you guys can find out exactly what I'm buying and why I'm buying these stocks. So go on ahead and hit the thumbs up button. You don't even gotta subscribe. Just hit the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. That'll help me out more than you can even imagine. But before we dive into this video is brought to you by Webull. Sign up now by clicking the link down in the description, deposit $100, and now you can receive 4 free stocks valued up to $1,600 each. With those 4 free stocks, you can keep them in a platform and decide to use it, or you can sell those 4 free stocks and withdraw all of your money. It's literally free money. And if you guys also want to grab some Bitcoin, I left a link to Coinbase down in the description. That is by far the easiest way to buy cryptocurrency straight from your phone or desktop. I think Bitcoin right now is around $40,000 at the recording of this video. But if you want 4 free stocks and some cryptocurrencies, those links are down in the description. But enough talking, let's go ahead and dive straight into this video. Welcome back YouTube. Here we are on my Robinhood account. Right now my account is at $45,250.50. On the week, I had a pretty good week, up 4.5%. These 4 stocks in this cryptocurrency that I'm gonna buy this week, I'm also trying to get another 4% from those stocks. So I made a profit of $1,949.52. So I had an amazing week. Hopefully these stocks picks that I'm about to show you what I'm buying today will also perform very well this upcoming week. But I am not a financial advisor. With that being said, let's dive into our first stock. The first stock that I'm buying this week is Tesla. Yes, Tesla, they had an amazing week. They're up 20.57%. And a lot of people are saying, why am I buying so high? I think that buying any price under $1,000 for Tesla is still a good deal. Even though this company is going to skyrocket even more in the future, NIO just had their NIO battery day or their NIO company day, right? And they said some pretty good things. But the battery that they was talking about putting inside their new vehicle is a solid state battery, but they are not producing it. They are partnering with a company, CATL, that makes these batteries. And with that partnership, they pretty much make batteries for everyone else, all the other electric vehicle companies out there. And their partnership, they're adopting, that's the key word, they're adopting CATL technology to their vehicles. So they're not actually making the batteries themselves. They might even have to wait in line to put these own batteries inside of their vehicles. That shows how much ahead Tesla is, ahead of the game, ahead of everyone. That's why Tesla is the biggest car company in the world, making Elon Musk the richest man on earth at the moment. And I would say that he kind of knows exactly what he's talking about. And Tesla has a bunch more things in the work. They not just cars, but solar power roofs that they're gonna start to roll out across all of America within the next 2-3 years or so. That is going to completely change the game when they get all these solar power tiles out. I'll probably put a picture right here so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. They're nice and neat. They could replace the tiles on your house to provide your house with free energy just from solar power. Once they start rolling that out, Tesla is not just a car company. They're not just a car company. They're a technology company. And when they get out everything that they have, this is definitely going to be a company that is worth over $1,000 per share. That's why I'm saying that even though they did have a 20% week, buying Tesla under $1,000 is still a good deal. Could it pull back this week? It could, but for the long-term investments, I think that buying it under $1,000 is still a great deal. So the first stock that I'm gonna buy this upcoming week is Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. The second company that I'm adding to my list is a company that a lot of people are not talking about, and that is Workday. Okay, here we are on Workday, ticker symbol WDAY. They're at $228.99. The market cap is at $54.43 billion. And on the week, I've been waiting for this. I've been waiting for them to have a pullback. Their pullback was down 4.86%. And on the month, they're still up 5.31%. So hopefully they have a little bit more pullback. If I could get them at around 225, I'm gonna pick up Workday this week. So you guys are probably asking, what is Workday? Well, let me pull up Seeking Alpha right quick. Here we go. Workday provide enterprise and cloud applications across the world. Basically, hold on, here it goes. The company offers Workday financial management applications that provide functions of general ledger, accounting, accounts payable and receive, cash and assets management, revenue management, and grants management, as well as project and resource management, time and expense tracking, project bill, revenue recognition, financial reports, and a bunch more. They do everything through the cloud from this one company, from this one software that they use. That a company, let's just say Pepsi, they would pay millions of dollars every year to do each one of these things individually. They would pay a different company millions of dollars, a different company $1 million to do each one of these things differently, separately, and it's costing them a lot of money. With Workday, it brings everything into one cloud-based situation, one cloud-based software that does everything for you, that is going to make your company much more streamlined, and you're not going to have to spend millions of dollars on each different program, and it's going to save your company a lot more money. Even on the year, Workday is up 26.53%, and I could still see them eventually reaching back to that all-time high of $257.71. So that'll be a good game right there. Could they do it this week? I believe so. If they pull back to my strike price of $225, I'm gonna pick up Workday. So that's the second stock that I'm gonna pick up this week. The next one is GNOG. As you guys will know, they used to be LCA. Okay, so here we are on GNOG, which is Golden Nugget Online Gaming. Right now it's at $20.10. If this price point, I'm gonna pick up some as soon as the market opens on Monday. If it drops down to $19, $18, I'm gonna pick up even more. On the week, they're down 3.24%. Could it pull back a little more? I hope so. I hope it does pull back so I could pick up even more shares of GNOG. I eventually want to get 100 shares of Golden Nugget Online Gaming. Basically what the site is, it is online gaming. There's only really two companies that's public that do this, which is DraftKings and then Golden Nugget Online Gaming. There might be another one out there. If you know what the other one is, drop that down in the comment section. I've been trying to figure that out. Well, I really haven't been trying to figure that out because I'm so bullish on Golden Nugget Online Gaming. Why? I think this company is double what it is worth right now. Right now it's at $20. If we look at the all-time high, it could go all the way up to $26 within the week, up 42% in the last 3 months. But with online gaming, online gambling in the sports season coming around with basketball, football, baseball, everything's coming up. You could place all your online bets straight from Golden Nugget Online Gaming. And then once they get all the bills passed throughout the United States, this is a multi-billion-dollar company, and it's not even legal in all the states yet. So once all the states legalize online gambling, then this company is definitely going to be worth way more than $40 in the future. So right now my strike price is $20. If it falls any further below $20, I will pick up even more shares, dollar cost averaging in. So that is the third company I'm going to pick up this week. And the fourth company you guys probably already know, which is SBE Switchback Energy or ChargePoint. All right, so here we are on SBE Switchback Energy or ChargePoint. ChargePoint is basically one of the biggest electric vehicle charging station companies in the world. And now that pretty much Joe Biden is definitely the president now, there's no questioning it. He has bills in place to try to get over 10. He's going to pay billions of dollars as a grant to companies to eventually get over 100,000 new charging stations in North America in the next 10 years. And the company that's going to lead the way on that is a company that is already leading the way, which is ChargePoint or SBE. So most of that money will probably go to them so that the electric vehicle charging stations infrastructure across all North America would be in place, because he wants 70% of the vehicles on the road to be electric vehicles in the next 25 years or so. So in order for that to happen, then our charging station infrastructure has to be in place, because right now there's a gas station on pretty much every corner. Even in the middle of nowhere, you're going to eventually pass through a gas station. But with charging stations, I live in a big major city, and there are few to come around. You basically got to search for them. So that shows the growth. Right now it's at $42.29. It could even double, it could triple, it could 10x. That is the growth that they have, is that this company is at $42 with minimum charging stations in major cities. And once I get the infrastructure and these grants and this company grow, then this is going to be a very big company in the near future, possibly a very big company this week. So the fourth one that I'm buying is SBE, ChargePoint or Switchback Energy. All right, and for the last one, I had to switch over to Coinbase. That's what I was talking about at the beginning of my video. This is the cryptocurrency that I'm buying now. I use Coinbase to buy my cryptocurrency. Right now, over on my Coinbase app, I'm up $16,854.33. It's not bad. I got about 0.3 worth of Bitcoin in here. But the cryptocurrency that I'm gonna buy this week is Ethereum, or ETH. ETH. There's a lot of other things to call it, but Bitcoin is a great store of value. It's practical effects. I mean, it's practical use. It's not really that useful for anything except for a store of value, because there's only going to be 21 million Bitcoin ever produced. There's not going to be any more than 21 million Bitcoin. So the scarcity of that is what drives the price of Bitcoin so high, and it's a great store of value. But Ethereum, that right there, that is literally the future of currencies. Ethereum is the future of currencies. It's basically having a US dollar with a computer chip inside of it. They're smart contracts. If you guys don't know what POS or POW is, proof of stake or proof of work, start investing, doing research on cryptocurrency, so you're not just blindly buying into any of these cryptocurrencies that these people are telling you about. I've been doing cryptocurrency for years. This channel used to be called Zeke the Crypto Miner because I used to mine cryptocurrency. I've been doing this for years, but ETH is by far superior in terms of use than Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a great store of value. Ethereum price would probably never ever reach the price of Bitcoin by far, but the use of it is going to be much more useful in the future as us using it in everyday life to buy or sell things, to buy houses, to buy cars, to use it for Lyft, to use it for Uber, to use it to buy food. Ethereum is going to be the way to go, other than using Bitcoin to buy things, because it's much faster, it's much smarter. The smart contracts are insane. You don't have to ask anybody for anything. But I'm going to be picking up one. In fact, let's do it right now. Since the market is open for cryptocurrency, I'm going to be buying 100 shares of Ethereum. All you have to do is download Coinbase. The link's down in the description. Going to hit trade, buy $100, preview buy. That's going to give me 0.07 Ethereum. Buy now. And there you go. My order was successful. And as simple as that, I got more Ethereum inside of my Coinbase account. It's just as simple as that, guys. So there we go, YouTube. Those are the 4 stocks I'm buying this week, plus 1 cryptocurrency. If you want to know my price target for Bitcoin and my price target for Ethereum, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because I'm putting out that video later this week. And trust me, you don't want to miss out on that video, because there's a lot of people out there telling you to buy Bitcoin, telling you to buy Ethereum, telling you to invest into cryptocurrency. That's just getting into it. They think that it's going up because of the economy and the US is printing out trillions of dollars. Yes, that's a factor into it. But I've been telling you guys, that's the OG subscribers, you know why it's going up, because I've been telling you guys before the run of Bitcoin. This is not even the oh my God, this is not even the bull run. This is not even the FOMO. This is not even close to it. Right now, it's just going up, because it's doing exactly what I said it was going to do, because of the Bitcoin halving it. So it's a lot of people out there telling you to invest to Bitcoin, and they don't even know what the Bitcoin halving it is. This is starting to piss me off. That's why I'm doing another whole video for it, that you guys don't want to miss out. That is going to make us so much money. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that video. But there's other 4 stocks that I put inside of my portfolio this week on this upcoming Monday. Those should all do pretty well in the future. If you guys are holding any of those in your portfolio, go down to the comment section and let me know what are you picking up this Monday, this week. But other than that, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Brand Show, and I'm out. Peace.